So this first video for Clipchamp, Unit 1, I'm suggesting you go over to your Outlook account, the one that allows you to get to your different applications in Office. This particular one is my Outlook. The key thing is we want to click on this app launcher in the top left corner, and I currently have Clipchamp. If you do not, go to your More Applications or go on Find Microsoft 365 Apps and type in Clipchamp. And it's advised that you bring it over, so it's going to be visible here every time you click on those dots in the top left corner. So click on your Clipchamp. I've already done that. You should see something like this. Now, this list below is going to be all the available videos that are on your computer. So obviously mine, I've got quite a few related to tech design. So what I'm going to do is, now it gives you the chance to screen record, which I'm actually doing now to create this video. Camera record if you want to hook up a camera, or even your camera that's hooked up to your monitor if you have one, you can use that. So we're going to click on Video Project. We're going to go over here. It's going to open a new screen for us. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to import media. So we're all going to be importing the same media for this particular exercise. And it can be found on Edsby. And you're going to download it, and it should automatically put it into your downloads folder. So I'm going to go import media. And I'm going to go to my downloads folder, and it's my raw footage for editing. Okay, let's bring this in. Perfect. Okay. So here's our raw footage for editing. So once you've got that in, we can check out our media. Bring it over here. Now what that does is it basically puts it in Clipchamp in the area that's going to allow us to edit the video. So let's click on play, and you should also hear the volume associated with this video. So for this particular exercise, what we're going to do is we're going to create a 5-minute video of action only. Okay. So this is a snowboarding video. Even if you're not into snowboarding, it doesn't matter. Action is going to be comprised of when they're on the snowboard going down the hill. So it starts out with them putting their stuff on, and that's not something we really want to have in our video. So I suggest we can move forward, backwards, whatever you want to do. And now we started. Okay, so what you can do is, once again, we're doing a 5-minute video. This raw footage is, according to the information here, 9 minutes and 35 seconds long. So we're going to pare that down. So we're going to get rid of the first part. So let's click on here. So what I did was right where that line is there, I clicked on our scissors. And now what I'll do is I click on that with my left button. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that. Okay. So that portion of the video has been deleted. Now what I'm also going to do is delete the gap. So delete the gap. So let's click on that. So if we bring this back here, hit play, boom, we're automatically in the action. The preparation part is no longer there. Okay, so we got to moving down the hill if you want. So what I'm suggesting here is we're going to have a 5-minute video, and we're going to try and break this up into 30-second blocks. Okay, so we're not going to be basically, okay, it's all action, hand it in. So what I want you to do is we're going to go here. Let's say, okay, there's 30 seconds there. Okay, let's click on our scissors, split. Okay, don't worry about that for the moment. Okay? So let's say, well, this isn't very exciting. Let's go here. It's looking a little better there. Okay. Okay, that's more exciting. We'll click there. And then what we'll do is we'll left click on there to highlight it. We're going to right click on there to delete this. Click on delete. So you've got your gap. If you want, you can leave that gap there for now and then come back and we can tidy it up later. Or you can, it's up to you. Okay, so once again, and if you want, you can, or what you can do is delete this gap, bring it back. We know each thing's approximately 30 seconds long. Now, 30 seconds is kind of the maximum for each portion. If you want, you decide, okay, that's enough. Let's just click this one. Let's say it's 15 seconds. That's fine.
Tom, ready for your solo?
We decided,
Tom,
okay, this
you,
isn't
man.
very exciting here. We can just, okay.
You guys back at the place?
Chit chat. Just want this. Okay, if you decide, okay, let's go here. Click on that. Delete that. Bring this back here. Okay. So once again, we're going for 5 minutes or less. 5 minutes is kind of our max. So if you're going to try for a maximum of 30-second clips, we're going to go for basically 10 clips. Try not to go less than 10 seconds. So if you want, there we are. Okay. I'll bring this a little further here. Oh, he's in the woods. Looks a little better here. Delete this. Okay, brings it back. So I'm not going to do the whole thing for the 5-minute assignment. I'm just kind of showing you the technicals on how to break it up. So that's what we're doing for this first assignment. Once you've got your video, once again, it's 5 minutes max. Try not to have your segments less than 10 seconds. So if you're looking for a maximum of 30-second segments into 5 minutes, that's going to be approximately 10 segments. So once you've got that more or less figured out and you've got your segments completed, we're going to go export here. So let's go export. I would go with default. It's up to you. You can go with file name. I'm going to go with Clipchamp Assignment 1. Okay. I'm going to change my location because it has it going to my OneDrive, that's not where I want it to go. So let's go to my files. You can pick basically whatever location you want to go to. Let's say I'm just going to stick it in my files and I'm going to go select. Or if you want to try to go for more places, it's up to you. You've got all these other destinations that may or may not be what you want to do. So I'm going to go class videos for me. I'm going to go select. I'm going to go export. Okay. So that's done. And what you're going to do is you're going to hand that video in on Ensby. Now, if you look at the top left, it's rendering that video for you, and it's putting it in a format that's going to be viewable by me. once that's done, you'll hand it in to Edsby, and we'll move on to assignment 2. Now, assignment 2, we're going to use this video, so don't delete it from your system. The next assignment, we're going to use this video, and we're going to explore other tools. And that's it for assignment 1.